Hello, this is Steve Rinka from the Rinka Law Firm, and I'm here today to talk to you about obtaining a right to sue letter. A right to sue letter is a document that you must obtain from the California Department of Fair Employment and Housing before you can pursue a lawsuit for wrongful termination, harassment, or discrimination. You have to file this claim within 1 year of the last date of the wronged act. So that would be the last date that you were discriminated against, harassed, or the date of your termination. Typically, most lawsuits have a 2-year statute of limitations, such as a lawsuit for negligence, like a car accident. However, in employment, there is a much shorter window. You only have 1 year from the date of the last act to file a right to claim. If you don't, you will be barred from filing your lawsuit. So it's important that you move quickly and contact an attorney, such as us here at the Rinka Law Firm, to discuss your case and determine whether or not you have a viable lawsuit, because the clock is ticking. And if you don't file your claim with the California Department of Fair Employment and Housing within 1 year, you will be barred. The process of obtaining a right to sue letter is quite simple. All you have to do is go to the California Department of Fair Employment and Housing, and you can fill out the claim form online. You have to create an account if it's your first time there, providing a user ID and password, as well as a valid email address. So the first thing you will do is you will provide the California Department of Fair Employment and Housing your personal information, such as your name, your address, phone number, email, and then on top of that you'll be asked to provide the name of your employer, as well as including any supervisors or managers that you claim harassed you, discriminated against you. Because if you fail to name any supervisors or managers, you'll be barred from suing them in a court of law. Once you provide that information, the next thing you'll need to do is provide the basis for your wrongful termination or harassment claim. So what you will do is you'll say, I'm filing a right to sue, obtaining a right to sue letter because I was harassed, discriminated against, and wrongfully terminated. The basis is what you're going to need to provide. So was it based on age that you were discriminated against? Was it gender, race, religion, engaging in a protected activity, whistleblowing, things of that nature? And once you have that filled out, you're going to have to provide a factual dissertation setting forth the basis that you believe you were wrongfully terminated, etc. So you have to provide an actual summary of the circumstances that set forth the nature of your claim, such as I was 50 years old, I'd been working there, I was getting written up, and they fired me and they hired younger people, and during the time that I was being written up, the company was hiring younger people, things of that nature. You have to provide some substance to this claim. That's why it's important to have an attorney fill this out on your behalf in order to ensure that all your rights are protected, because if you fail to allege something, or such as you fail to allege harassment, and after the 1 year you realize, oh wait, no, I was harassed as well guess what, you're out of luck. So you have to set forth all your claims at that time within that 1 year window. You can always amend it during that 1 year, but after that 1 year window, you're locked out. So it's important that you do it correctly the first time. That's why it's important to have an attorney fill this out on your behalf. Now, once you obtain the right to sue letter, you have 1 year from the date that it was issued to file a lawsuit. So you have 1 year from the time of the act to file the right to sue letter, or obtain the right to sue letter, and then 1 year from obtaining the right to sue letter to file the lawsuit. So you have to move somewhat expeditiously in this process in order to preserve your rights. Therefore, if you do believe that you have been wrongfully terminated, harassed, or discriminated, it's important that you contact an attorney right away. You can reach me, Steve Rinka, at 310-556-9653. I hope you find this video helpful, and have a good day. Thank you.